So dear students, welcome to our ninth video. This video will be about the pattern, and this pattern we'll do it with a for loop, that is nested for loop. Means there will be one for loop within another for loop, and here also we'll find how the print function being used to print it in the same line and print it in the different line. So the features of the print function we'll also learn it from here. So now let's see the pattern.
Write a program pattern that we have discussed. So comment we have to do it, otherwise it will give error. Now it's okay. So first we will input a number for the n for the number of lines. N is equal to say input int input enter number of lines. Now we will use for I in range 1 comma n plus 1. Then again we'll have to write it for as it is a nested loop for j in range 1 comma I plus 1. So it will be 1 when I is equal to 1, so I plus 1 it will be 2. So it will be starting from 1 and it will be less than, it will execute for less than 2, so it will be executing for once only. Print the character that we have been given I, it will be printed for many times, and here we will write it. Yes, here we will have to write it end is equal to double quote. Then print, here we can give one space also, it will look better, and here we will give only print in empty bracket so that you can change the line, and this much is the program. So now let's execute it. It will ask for the number of lines, so let it be 4. So it is printing like this. Again number of lines it is asking, let it be 3. So it is 3. Once more, let the number of lines be 8. So it is giving for 8. So like this it will give on.